Hi, my name is Jay Grams. My family has owned the Volo Auto Museum since 1960. We have a few hundred of the most exciting collector cars, and they're all for sale in one location. I personally have handpicked them from around the country. Welcome to my sales shop. Come on, let's go for a spin.
Here's a hot little number right here. 1969 Chevy Nova with a 454 big block stuffed under the hood. It's been body off the frame restored. If you go to volocars.com, you can read all the specs, see 100 photos of the car, get the price. But not only on this car, there's a couple hundred collector cars at volocars.com, and they're all for sale. If you enjoy our videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. You'll be notified as they come out. But right now, why don't you join me? Let's go for a spin in this hot rod. I think it's a real high quality car. The body and paint is fantastic, show quality. It's polished out like glass. It's another car I got from down south, but smooth all along the bottom. It's all smooth, no bubbles. Door fits beautifully. Everything up here is lined up. This is all shiny. A lot of times this is something they leave alone and scratched up and icky, but it's all polished beautifully. New door handles, new bow tie mirrors on both sides. Looks like the wheel well moldings, the lower moldings, the marker lights. This looks like it's been replaced. Rear windows crystal clear. Everything inside here, the trim, the package shelf is all excellent. I'm looking at the reflection in the paint. It's like a red mirror. Trunk fits perfectly square. SS panel, bumper guards, bumper, all looks like new. Looking down the side of the car, a laser beam straight. No bubbles, fits nice. Just like the other side, all this is beautiful. It's got the SS wheels. They look brand new. Literally, the trim, the caps. BF Goodrich tires look new. It's got the new SS grills on the hood, new windshield. All that trim, beautifully restored. Show quality condition outside. The grill is all restored. There is a little scratch or crack, a minor one right there. It has bumper guards. Let's get to the heart of it. It's a big block motor, if I can figure out how to open it. Also show quality. Bottom of the hood's gloss red, has hood insulation. The hinges are detailed. Big block 454 motor. It's got an aluminum intake. It's got an Edelbrock with electric choke, an Excel electronic HEI ignition system, new chrome valve covers, and air cleaner. Has stock exhaust manifolds. You'll hear this bad boy run in a minute. Look at the door jambs, painted glossy. That's a clean door. Weather strip is new. New reproduction door panels. Looks like the handles and cranks and armrests are new. Just a clean, dry, solid trunk. It's been spatter painted. Under here is gloss red. It has the new decal. The jamb is beautiful. Has new weather strip. Just a nice, clean trunk. New reproduction upholstery on the seats. The headrests have been redone. New carpet. The headliner, the visors are excellent. The dash pad is new. Has a deluxe rosewood wheel. New sill plates. Yeah, the jambs are painted very nicely. It's got an aluminum radiator, power steering, power disc brakes, disc in front, drum in back. The washer bottle's not hooked up, and it's got a little hole in it. They sell those. But the brackets and firewall, everything looks to be cleaned up nicely in here. Alternator, the fan, all looks good. Underneath the car, I said it was frame off, so the whole front end's rebuilt. You can see new ball joints and bushings, new sway bar. I think it's a Flowmaster exhaust. Turbo 350 trans, high torque starter, real clean, solid floors. Inside the car, there's no radio. It's not cut up. There's not a big hole. It's the factory hole with no radio. I hate to spend money on a radio. One guy might want an AM radio, or they sell them classic auto sound stereos that go in there. So we'll leave that for the next owner to put in what they want. I'm going to start it up. You don't need a radio. That's your music right there. Guy I bought it from said it sounds like firecrackers, and it does. I've been driving a different car home every day, so I really get the feel of it. I know that anything wrong we can correct, but I've been driving a different car. I drove this one all around. It's great. It's a fun little hot rod. Gets a lot of looks, steers straight, drives nice, fast. So visit volocars.com. Plenty of ways on there to contact our staff. We're here to help you. Any questions or concerns about the car, or the financing, the delivery, the payment, paperwork, that's what we're here to do. So let us know how we can help. If you enjoy the videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Click on the bell icon so you can be the first to see them as they come out. Hope you enjoyed, and come back for more.